Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a review of the European exclusive Off-White Jordan 1. Many of you guys know these only came out in Europe, never released in the US, and currently they're one of the most expensive Off-White Nike sneakers on the market. I was lucky enough to get my hands on these. I have worn them a few times. I'll show you guys the on-feet video right after we're done reviewing it. Alright, first let me show you guys a look at the box. So again, this one is the cut up Jordan 1 box. The label Air Jordan 1 times Off-White NRG, white. And you guys can see all that. And then just a regular Jordan 1 box besides that. But let's get right into the sneakers themselves. Honestly, this is my favorite Jordan 1 from the Off-White collection. I just think it's the most resembling of the Off-White brand itself. All white, clean look, and has like the hits of like the deconstruct look, the hints of yellow. Like right here, you see the white on the outsole, and the midsole we have like a nice like off-white color. And throughout the shoe, it's just really nice. I think they hit it out the park with this one. These and the Off-White Presto have to be my favorite Off-White sneakers to release. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick review of the shoe, the accessories that come with, and other things like that. So let's get right into it. First off, with this we get 5 pairs of laces. So we have the black ones, the white, orange, purple, and on the sneakers themselves we have the light blue, which I think looks best with the sneaker. Better look at that. And lastly, unlike most of the other Off-White sneakers, this one comes with a light blue. Off-White zipper is light blue. So all the other ones come with a red zipper. Is a better look at that. So I think they went all out on the details of the sneaker. A lot of people just say it's an all-white shoe, but I think all the details really set it apart from many of the sneakers that came out. Let's get into some of those details. So here we have the swoosh, as you guys can see, blue stitching right here, all white swoosh, and then we have the orange patch with the blue stitching again there. Show you guys the other sneaker. Once again, same thing, blue stitching here, and then we have the blue and orange. And then transitioning from this part, we have like a nice creamish suede going all the way to the back of the shoe. And then on the medial side we have the Off-White in black written on the sneaker right there. One of my favorite parts of the sneaker, obviously. On the tongue we have the orange Nike Air sign. Another really great hit. I think just these subtle colors really pop out when you're wearing an all white sneaker. I think just I don't know how to explain it. I just think it was really well designed, and they got the message across. On the insides we have the 85 in quotation marks, nice suede feel to it. Same with the other side. Air Jordan logo embossed, very nice. And then of course we have the deconstructed tongue and the liner, sock liner. On the inside we have Nike Air written. Give you guys a better look at the toe box. And yeah, outsoles again white, just kind of dirty because I've worn them. And then the Air branding on the side. Overall I think this is a really great sneaker. I love the fact that they went all out and gave us the 5 pairs of shoelaces, changed up the zip tie. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll give you guys an off feet coming up right now. Let me know what you think of these sneakers and what you think of the review. Personally, I picked these above the Chicagos and the UNCs, and yeah, really great sneaker. If you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, and like for more. And thank you for watching.
What comes around goes around, so before it goes down, nigga, get you some icicles. Order mommy for all of y'all's. Wristwatch got a Russian face like
I don't feel like she's mine enough. God, I feel I couldn't have you wide up.
This is doing what I gotta do.